Hey science dudes, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to get making a water-powered boat. All we need is 5 things. First, a styrofoam box, a cup. If you want to decorate the cup, you can also add a little flag, and a straw, and a soldering iron. If you don't have soldering iron at home, don't worry. You can just also use cutters. And a hot glue gun. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can also use super glue. First step is to take a styrofoam box and grab your cup and use the hot glue gun to glue it. Remember, glue it. Only an adult can glue it, so as do the experiment with an adult. The second step, we are going to put the straw through the styrofoam box and inside the cup. Just like that. But first, you're going to have to make a hole. So that's why I used a soldering iron. If you don't have soldering iron, you can also use cutters. Done! Now, you can see we have made the straw go through here. And I got another one to have race. Ta-da! I got this one has a yellow flag, even bigger. Now, let's race! 3, 2, 1, go! We're going to have a race of the boats. I'll use another boat. This one! You can even change its direction, see? Let's go. Let's try.